Now let's understand handling division by 0. Say you come across a code or a syntax where we are dividing a number, integer or float, by a 0, and during that operation we will get an error like 0 division error. Now how to avoid that 0 division error in our code? So we are going to use the try except block. So the syntax for this is try, okay, then the calculation. So say for example our results equal to 10 upon 0. Now we already know that this will give us an error, but in case the results or the mathematical operations or arithmetic operations give you an error, so we want to avoid this, okay. So we will accept is the block. Now while doing a division by arrow, the error type is 0 division arrow. So I'm going to copy the name from here, and after the accept I will write this and colon, and what you want to display in case your mathematical operations gives you 0 division arrow. So we want to print, okay, instead of an error we want to print that cannot divide by 0, okay. So we want this. Now if I run this, okay, so instead of an error our code will run and we'll get an output as cannot divide by 0. This is how we can handle the division by 0 in mathematical operations.